Okay, good morning. My name is Abhishek. Today we are going to discuss the topic of reasoning, and the name of the topic is syllogism. Syllogism is very important when we talk about the examinations like bank, SSC, insurance, railways, and CAT, MAT, GRE, etc. And in fact, syllogism is very interesting to understand. Okay, talking about the topic is very easy to understand. Like how the question will be. The question will be based on two parts. Like first part of the question will be given these statements, right? In the question, you will be given these statements, and the number of statements can be 2, 3, or 4, right? The second part of the question will be given the conclusions. Okay, the number of conclusions will be also 2, 3, or 4, right? Okay, now the question is what you have to do with the statements and what you have to do with the conclusions. With the statements, you have to simply draw the arrangements, right? So I am writing here, simply you have to draw the arrangements. And conclusions, you have to check the conclusions whether the given conclusion is true or false. First checking you will be do of true false, and second checking you will do of complementary cases. Right? So here main part of the question is the conclusion. In conclusion, you have to do two things like checking of true and false and checking of complementary cases, right? Okay, what is this statement and conclusion? So statement and conclusion are basically simply the sentences. Like if we talk about the sentence all A are B, this is a statement here. If we talk about some A are B, this is a type of statement here. Third, if we talk about no A or B, and if we talk about some A or B. So these are the four type of statements, right, that we will draw one by one and check the possible list of conclusion, and we will check the possible list of conclusion and how the complementary case can be drawn over here. These statements, my first statement is all A are B, right? And how it will be drawn? It will be drawn like all A are in B. This is very simple to draw. Like when we will draw all A are B, simply you have to draw all A are in B, right? Okay, second part, if I talk about the second statement, this is some A or B. We will simply draw it like some part of A is in B. Some part of A is in B. Okay, second type of the statement is some A or B. And how we have to draw this? We have to simply draw this like some part of A is in B, right? Okay. Third type of statement is no A or B. Right? And how we have to draw this? We have to just simply draw this like no A or B. That means first thing here to understand that this is the negative sentence, because a negative, no, and the not keywords indicates that the statement is negative, right? And whenever the negative statement is there, we would have to draw the cross while making the arrangement. This is very important. So no A or B, just draw an straight line from A to B and just cross it from between. Right? Okay. The fourth type of statement is sum A are not B. And how it will be drawn? Simply draw A and take some part of A, that means some part is this, and draw a straight line to B and cut it from between. So this will be sum A are not B. So what I have done, I have written the four type of statement and I have drawn the arrangement. Now let us check the possible list of conclusion that can be either true or false. Right? Okay. Let us check for the first one. Like I have written the statement like all A are B. That means all A are in B. So what can be the possible list of true conclusion here? Like if I draw sum A are B, so let us check sum A are B. That means some part of the A is in B. If we look at the diagram, so this statement is true because sum A are B, right? Okay, if we check the second statement, like second conclusion, like sum B are A. Sum B are A, that means some part of the B is in A. That means this statement will also be true. Okay, if we check the other statements like no A or B, so this statement is false here because no negation arrangement has been drawn. If we draw a no B or A, so that will be wrong here. Some A are not B, that will be wrong here. Some B are not A, that will also be wrong here. Okay, that means if we are making the arrangement like all A are B, then only two conclusions will be true. That means sum A are B and second one is sum B are A. Right? Okay. Coming to the next one, like the statement is sum A are B. Right? And the arrangement is made like this, some part of the A is in B. Okay. What will be the possible list of conclusions? Like if I draw sum B are A. So if you look at the diagram, sum B are A, this will be true. Right? Okay. If we check the second one, that is sum A are not B. Sum A are not B. Okay, you tell me whether this conclusion will be true or false. If we look at the diagram, this is showing that sum A are B. But if we come to check the conclusion, sum A are not B, you will surely think about it that this statement, this conclusion is true, that sum A are not B. But this conclusion is false here. Reason is, in the conclusion, negative word is used here, negation word is used here, not, and in the arrangement, we don't have any cross in the arrangement. And when we were discussing like the negative sentence, so cross should be there. But here we don't have the cross. Right? So sum A are not B is false here. Likewise, if we check sum B are not A. Sum B are not A, this will also be false here. That means if the statement is sum A are B, then the possible list of conclusion can be sum B are A. Only these statements will be true. Rest all the conclusion will be false. Okay, coming to the next one, if we check this third, no A or B, right, and make the possible list of conclusions. Like my first conclusion, if I check no A or B, if I check sum A are not B, sum A are not B. So here this conclusion will be true because in the arrangement what I have made no A or B, right, and what I am asking sum A are not B. when entire A is not B, then some part of the A will definitely not be. That means this statement is true here, right? Okay, coming to the second one. Second one is some B are not A. Some B are not A. Okay, when no B is A, so some part of B will not be A. That means this statement will be true here. And if we check the third conclusion, that is no B is A, so this conclusion will be definitely true here, because no A is B, simple line cross in between indicates that no A is B, and if I write no B is A, that means single line from B to A and a cross in between indicates that no B is A, right? Okay, coming to the fourth point, that is some A are not B. Here the correct statement, correct conclusion will be only this, some A are not B. Rest all the conclusion will be false here. Okay, this simple rules we have understand in fact, and when we will apply the same rules in the question, that will be more clear, right? Okay, as we were discussing in the starting, that each question will be divided into two forms, statement and conclusions. Number of statement will be given either 2, 3 or 4, right? And number of conclusion will be given either 2, 3 and 4. With these statements, what we have to do, we have to just make the arrangement, like I have made this arrangement, this arrangement, this arrangement and this arrangement, and you have to check whether the conclusions are true or false, right? This thing is very simple, nothing we have to do, we have to just check with the diagram true or false. Okay, second part in the question is the complementary cases. Now what is this complementary case? Let us check. Complementary case. So complementary case is very easy to understand and apply. Complementary case is what, whenever in the list of conclusion you find two statements of the type, like one statement should be true, one statement should be positive, and second statement should be false. Like if I write all A are B, this statement is positive, so I am marking positive sign here, and the second statement is like no A or B, this conclusion is negative, right? So in the complementary case, whenever in the list of conclusion you find two conclusion in the type of the type, like first conclusion is positive and second is negative, and in both the conclusion these predicates are same, like this should be AB AB, right? Now AB can be swapped with any other thing, but this predicate should be same. Now the conclusion will be called as complementary cases, and you will give the answers like either 1 or 2 follow, right? Okay, let us take one more example. Like if in the conclusion you find like some A or B, so as you are looking at the conclusion, this is the positive conclusion, and the second one is some A or not B. Here the conclusion is negative. So and the predicate is same AB AB. So here you can apply the complementary cases, and again you will give the answer like either 1 or 2 follow. Either 1 or 2 follow, right? So this was very easy to understand. Okay, coming to the question, how we can apply the true and false cases and complementary cases, you will better understand when we will apply this in this question. So as you are looking at the question number 1, the question is like some rivers are hills. So we start making the arrangement. Some rivers are hills. So we can write it as some rivers are hills, right? Thereafter no hill is taxi. So a straight line from hill to taxi, and that should be cut in between. Thereafter, all taxis are buses. That means all taxis should be placed in buses, right? So we were given with the three statements and we have made the arrangement. Now the second part, conclusion. How many conclusion are given? We are given with three conclusions. So first, second and third. Let us check whoever is true and whoever is false. Okay, our first conclusion is some buses are reversed. So buses is here and river is here. If we check some buses are reversed conclusion, so my first conclusion will be definitely false, right? And second conclusion is some taxis are reversed. So if we look at taxi is here and river is here. If you look at some taxis are reversed, then this conclusion will be also false. And third one is no buses are reversed. So let us check no buses are reversed. So here the important thing to understand, there is a straight line from taxi to hills, but there is not a straight line from buses to rivers, right? For this there should be a straight line from buses to rivers and that should be cut in between. And the statement, the conclusion that is given is no buses are reversed. So no buses are reversed, here this conclusion will be also false, right? That means all the conclusion will be false. Okay, and second, checking in the question you have to do of the complementary cases. If we check the complementary cases, so have a look on the conclusions, like let us check first conclusion and third conclusion. Like first one is some buses are reversed. This is the positive statement, and the last one is no buses are reversed. So this is the negative statement, right? And the predicates are same. So whenever there is a positive and there is a negative statement and the conclusion are same, we can give the answers as complementary cases, and in complementary cases we give the answers like either one or third follow. So here answer will be option number E, either one or third follow, right? Okay, coming to the next one, question number second. The question is like all dolls are toys. So simply we have to place all dolls in toys. This is very simple. Okay, thereafter some toys are James. So some part of toys should be in James. Okay, thereafter some James are boxes. So some James are in boxes. This is also true. Thereafter all boxes are sticks. So all boxes are in sticks. This is the arrangement. Now check the number of conclusion. In the question you are given with 4 conclusions. So first, second, third and fourth. Check for true and false. Like my first conclusion is some sticks are James. So check, sticks is here, James is here. So my first conclusion is true, because some sticks are James. This is true. Okay, my second conclusion is some James are dolls. So James is here, doll is here. Some James are dolls. So this can be true if we draw dolls here, but this is not definitely true. Therefore, we will mark it as false statement. Right? Okay. My third statement is some sticks are dolls. So sticks and dolls. This statement will be definitely false. And the fourth statement is some toys are dolls. Some toys are dolls. Here this statement is true because some toys are in dolls. That means the four statements will be true. Right? And checking for the complementary cases, let us have again a look on the conclusion given. My first is some sticks are James, some James are dolls, some sticks are dolls, some toys are dolls. So here no negative conclusion was given. So negative conclusion is not there. So complementary cases cannot be there. That means only 1 and 4 follow. Okay, check the option. like the correct option is the correct option is E. Only 1 and 4 follow. Right? Okay, coming to the question number 3rd. Like the question is, all roads are cars. That means all roads should be in cars. Right? Okay. Thereafter, no car is tree. That means there should be a straight line for car to tree, and that should be cut in between. Thereafter, some trees are jungles. So we can make it as some trees are jungles, right? Thereafter, all jungles are rivers. That means all jungles should be in river. Okay. This is the arrangement. Now let us check for the conclusion. Conclusion, number of conclusion those are given is 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let us check for every conclusion. Like my first is some rivers are road. So let us check. Okay, my first R stand for road. So I am writing the entire word here, and this is for river. Okay, now let us check the conclusion. This is some rivers are road. So some rivers are road. This is definitely false, because this here we have river and here we have road. So the conclusion, some rivers are road, is false. Coming to the second one. Second one is some jungles are road. Jungle is here, road is here. This will be definitely false. Some jungles are road. Thereafter, some cars are road. If we check some cars are road here, this statement is definitely true. Right? And fourth one is no jungle is road. Jungle, road, there is not a straight line from jungle to road cutting straight lines. That means this will be false. Right? And checking for the complementary cases, let us have a look to the conclusion given. Like my first is some rivers are road, some jungles are road, some cars are road, no jungle is road. So my third conclusion is definitely true, and we can apply the complementary case in second and fourth statement, because here the predicates are same, jungle road, and the second statement is positive and fourth statement is negative. So our answer will be either 2 or 4 follows and third follow. Okay. Coming to the next one, question number 4. Like the question is, some buildings are sofas. So we can make it as some buildings are sofas. Okay. Thereafter, some sofas are benches. So some sofas are benches. We can write the entire word. This is bench, and this is building. Thereafter, some benches are table. So we can write as some benches are tables. Right? And if we check the conclusion, there are only 2 conclusions given. My first conclusion is some tables are sofa. So table is here, sofa is here. Definitely this statement, this conclusion will be false. And coming to the second one, no table is sofa. So table, sofa, but there is not a straight line from table to sofa that is cutting in between. Therefore, this statement will be also false. Right? That means both the statements are false. Both the conclusion are false. And if we check for the complementary cases, so my first conclusion is some tables are sofa, and second one is no table is sofa. So here the predicates are same, table sofa, and first statement is positive, second statement is negative. Hence we can apply the complementary cases, and the answer of this question will be D, either 1 or 2 follow. Right? Okay. Okay. Coming to the next question, that is question number 5. And the question is like no day is night. So we can draw it as no day is night. Okay. Thereafter, all nights are noon. That means all nights are in noon. So we can write entire word. This is a night, and that is noon. Thereafter, no noon is an evening. That means no noon is an evening. So this is the statement, right? This is the arrangement. Okay, if we check for the conclusion here, like we are given with the two conclusion. My first conclusion is no evenings are night. If we check no evenings are night, so this is definitely true, because when no evenings are noon, this is correct. Then no evenings are night will be correct, because night is a part of noon, right? Okay, coming to the second conclusion, that is given all days being noon is a possibility. That means if we put days under noon and make the another arrangement, the all the statements should be true and all the conclusions should be true. Like we can draw it as, my first statement was no day is night, so we can write, we can draw it as no day is night. Thereafter, my second statement was all nights are noon. So now I have to make this days in noon, and thereafter no noon is evening. That means here this is correct. Okay, if we make the arrangement like this, is this possible? Yes, is this possible? Because if we are making the arrangement like this, my all the statements are true. That means all the both the statements are true here, both the conclusion are true here, right? Okay, coming to the next question, question number 6. Like the question is, some teachers are professors, so we can draw as, this is teacher and this is professor. Some teachers are professors, and thereafter some teachers are lecturers. Some teachers are lecturers. That means like this we can draw. Okay, how many conclusions are given? We are given with the two conclusions, first and second. So let us check for all. My first is no professor is a lecturer. So no keyword is used and no cross marks is there. That means this conclusion will be definitely false, right? My second conclusion is all lecturers being professor is a possibility. If I make all lectures, if I make lectures in professors, then all the statements should be true. So if I draw all teachers are professor, this is true, and all lecturers are teachers, that means if I draw like this should be true. Yes, I can make like this. That means my second conclusion will be true. So answer of this question will be only 2 follow, right? Okay, coming to the next question, question number 7. Like the question is, all pencils are bricks, so we can write it as all pencils are in bricks. Okay, thereafter all bricks are bottles, all bricks are bottles, this is bricks, right? And how many conclusions are given? We are given with the 2 conclusions. So let us check for the first. First is all pencils are bottles. All pencils are in bottles, this is true, right? And second one is all bricks are pencils. All bricks are pencils. All bricks are in pencil, this is not true, this is not good. All bricks are not in pencil. That means this conclusion will be false. That means only first conclusion is true. Option number A, right? Okay, coming to the next question, question number 8 here. The question is, like some soldiers are famous, we can draw it as some soldiers are famous. Thereafter some soldiers are intelligent. Some soldiers are intelligent, this can be drawn. Okay, thereafter we are given with the 2 conclusion here, first and second. My first one is some soldiers are either famous or intelligent. So some soldiers are either famous or intelligent, this is true, right? Okay, thereafter some soldiers are neither famous nor intelligent. Okay, this statement is false, because no statement, no keyword is used here, and we can not I mean we don't have the cross marks in between. That means second statement will be false. Okay. Some of you will be thinking that we can apply the complementary case in this question, but we cannot apply complementary case in this question. Reason being, whenever in the conclusion one conclusion is true and second conclusion is false, we cannot apply complementary cases. For complementary cases, both the conclusion should be false. Only then we can apply the complementary cases, right? Okay, I mean terminating the session here, and I am giving you some set of question. You can try by your own, right? And if you are trying and if you are doing well, you can check in the next session whether the answers are correct or not correct. Okay? Okay, thank you so much.